This quick guide explains how to buy shares of James Hardie Industries plc, a global building materials company specializing in fiber cement and siding, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker JHX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker JHX to locate the company listing. Select the James Hardie result that shows NASDAQ and confirm it matches the company name. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Double-check the company name and JHX ticker to make sure you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next opening. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Soft note, find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.